Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at this APK which can be stored on your Fire Stick, Fire TV box and any Android device. As Terrarium TV has gone down at the minute, this is an alternative for your movies and TV shows. First off, looking at the movies, get a lot of the old ones and new ones on this, and the good thing about it is there's no buffering, no looking for links. It's just select the film you want to play and click on play for instant play. Go into the top left hand corner, you've got ratings, popular and new. And let's click on one of these to show you how quick these are. Click on the film, you've got your information, you've got the year it was made, the IMDb rating. Clicking to the right, you've got the link, click on that. You can play with Pro Player, I unselect this. I'm playing in 720p, click play, and it's on as quick as that. No messing around, no buffering, great quality. If there's a movie out there and it's not good quality, it won't be on here. Now going down to TV shows, same again. Got your popular, you've got user ratings, and you've got new. Select one you want to watch, click on videos, and that will give you any episodes what are out at the minute or any seasons. Select the one you wish to watch, play, and straight on, no messing around. Also, you've got a favourite section, so if you wanted to add this to your favourites, you just click on the top right, go back to the start, click the top left hand corner, click favourites, and they'll all be placed in there. Again, looking at Game of Thrones, all your different seasons and episodes. Pick any of your choice. This one's in 1080p. Play. Straight on. No messing around. Very easy and simple app to use. You've also got the search bar to search for anything of your choice. You've got history and downloads. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install this app. If this video has helped you, please click like and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Okay, so now we are going to look how to install the app. So if you open Downloader on your Fire TV stick, and enter http://oneboxhd.org. Once you've wrote that, press go. This will take you to the official page. And then scroll down. Click on download page. Scroll down again and download app. There you go. Once that's downloaded, hit install, and then you will have the app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.